He's the type of dog that he's like, I gotta get there now, I gotta get there now, I gotta get there now. So it's like he has this swagger walk from where his hips were broken and stuff. So as you can tell, the GoPro is like going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. To get that stabilized, I basically would have to wrap him up in duct tape. So that could restrict his movements. So we'll just see how it goes. It is a horrible trail, and it is raining again. But learning my lesson last night, I have put on my rubber boots. Now, Cooper, he didn't wear his rubber boots, but he's good. He don't mind. There he goes. There he goes. And now the mosquitoes have sensed that there is a 210-pound snack here and another 70-pound snack there. So hopefully we'll get out of this soon. Now, yeah. So once the weather, oh, he's locked onto something. So yeah, once our weather gets better, we're gonna go and spend a couple nights camping and set up some still cameras and GoPros and all that and this and that, and tell some ghost stories. There is a lot of haunted, supposedly look at him rolling around on the ground. Supposedly, wow, that GoPro stayed on him. Look at him. Like he's right on it. And it stayed. Wow. Look. Cooper, are you rolling in something that's dead? Hey, come here. Come here. No, come here.